Alright, welcome back ladies and gentlemen to the Chupacabra Tutorials channel. I'm your host Larry, and today I'm going to show you how to get the heat adaptation that allows you to progress into the high temperature areas of Subnautica 2. So in order to find this adaptation, you're going to need to find the angel comb plant that gives you that adaptation. So starting from the escape pod, you can find it to the northwest. All you have to do is head straight there from the pod until you reach the edge of the shallows. Make sure that you have a sonic resonator with you. You're going to need to fight a little set of 3 battles using that resonator in order to cleanse the angel comb. So you're going to want that pretty easily accessible along with your mobility equipment or your little arm boosters. Once you reach the northwest, you'll find a number of currents that lead you down into a basin. This is where the infected angel comb is. You can't get the adaptation yet. You have to follow one of 2 tentacles, one to the north and one to the south, that show you 2 juvenile angel comb, which are infected by the viral blooms. You'll just have to blast off these glowing blue flowers, and then the angel comb will open, and then you can move to the next one. Just be careful, because during this fight there's a number of little pester enemies that kind of look like little sand leeches that will swim at you and cause some damage. You can pretty much just ignore them, especially if you bring a healing pack with you or 2, but you can also dodge them and lure them out and blast them. One hit from your sonic resonator should kill them. The other of the 2 immature angel combs is to the south. And this one's a little bit trickier to get to. It's deep underground, and you're going to have to be more mindful of your oxygen because there's only a couple of oxygen plants down here, so it's easy to suffocate. But same routine, you just have to blast off 3 to 4 of these glowing blue flowers that fuel the infection, and then the angel comb should open and allow you to progress to the final stage of this mini boss fight, which is cleansing the primary mature angel comb and fending off one of the large sharks that can get infected by these little leech guys that try to bite you, the little infected critters. So like I was showing you before, you gotta be real careful and just keep an eye on where these little air pockets are. There's one up another tunnel on this lower angel comb that you can go and grab oxygen at. And then the main issue with this one is just that there's a bunch of these little flowers off in the far corners. So you just have to be careful of those little biters because they do a lot of damage to you. Once you've got that cleansed, you can follow the tentacle back to the primary angel comb room where you again have this big shark. But if you shoot him once with your sonic resonator, you really don't have to worry about him. He gets temporarily concussed and confused, and then you can just swim around and blast off the rest of these flowers. Much like the other arenas, there are some more oxygen plants around this primary angel comb, so just keep an eye on them and where they are before you start the battle. You might want to put a buoy or some type of beacon next to them to let you know where they are, because as you're spinning and twisting and turning and trying to avoid getting eaten, you can lose track of them. And then once you're done, you can just swim up to the angel comb, touch it with your hand, and then you have the new heat adaptation. So I hope you found this helpful. It takes a little bit to get this, but once you have a sonic resonator, it's super easy. And if you bring the tadpole with you for oxygen, it'll be even easier. So that'll be it. Have a good one, everybody, and I'll catch you next time.